एहतमाम करूं, नजर मिले जो जरा पहले सबको सलाम करूं। मुझे तो होश नहीं, आप मशवरा दीजिए, कहां से छेड़ूं फसाना, कहां तमाम करूं। I just tell you in just 5 minutes my journey. I was a foreign body when I came in 2019 year of 27 years. I was the first pediatrician of South Kashmir in 1984 from PJ Chandigarh. I came out as an open category candidate but chose to join JK03 District Hospital, Anantnag. But Dr. Shinima was assistant surgeon, I was a children specialist. I spent 8 years there. 8 साल बाद 1992 में 27 मार्च 1992 मुझ पे एक जानलेवा हमला हुआ। हालात खराब थे, हालात ऐसे थे, so I had to leave in anger, disgust, and I was really disgusted, dejected. I left this place. I went to Srinagar. They tried to cut my head. I gave my hand and briefcase. I got a cut here. It became a sunline. I became professor of University Hospital. I trained 20 MD thesis. I got 60 to 65 national international publications. I traveled whole of country and so much of Europe, and I went as agent of the whole North India. So I achieved by the grace of God what you can achieve in academics. The highest post is professor. Okay. Then after retirement, I came back after 25 years from SKIM Sobra, and I was asked to join this place back. 27 साल में वहां कभी नहीं आया हूं। जो MCCH था तब वो हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल था, अब MCH था, अब MCH भी नहीं रहा, अब वो मैटरनिटी हॉस्पिटल रहा है। अल्लाह जाने बाद में क्या होगा। So I was brought back in 2019 to head the Department of Pediatrics for 6 years. I tried my level best. I felt initially I was a foreign body, but जो मुझे इतना प्यार मिला कि I cannot, I have no words to explain. अल्लाह ने पता समझ रोज दरीशी यवन तेकरी हुई या बैकरी हुई बेई तंगीर 1992 I was attacked. अल्लाह ने कहा तुम सब्र करो, मैंने सब्र किया। मैं 27 साल बाद फिर वहां आ गया, उस गेट से अंदर गया, and I was given an emotional and lovely and sincere farewell, so many farewells from that place. It was again same month, same time, after 33 years. Allah ने कहा सब्र किया, मैंने सब्र किया। After 3 decades, I went with grace and dignity. I have left SKIMS with a grace and dignity. In 2017, we had the best possible farewell in the institute history. We were right of 6 professors who retired, and we have got the best. And here I have got better than that and the best. I am thankful to all of you. I am thankful to all of you. मैं डरता किसी से नहीं, अल्लाह से डरता हूँ। मुझे गम मेरी फितरत बदल नहीं सकता। मैं क्या करूं, मुझे आदत है मुस्कुराने की, चिल्लाने की और सच बताने की। मैं हमेशा ही सच बताता हूँ। ये जो पीडियाट्रिक्स डिपार्टमेंट था, ये डिपार्टमेंट नहीं था, मैंने उसको फैमिली बनाया है। ये घर है मेरे लिए, अब भी घर है, आप लोग सब मेरे घर के वासी हो। I have been the eldest in the family. I am old by faith but not by heart. कोई बात मेरा आपके घर के सामने I want to make a house in front of you, लेकिन आसान नहीं है। घर का बसाना कोई आसान काम नहीं, घर का बनाना कोई आसान काम नहीं, दुनिया बसाना कोई आसान काम नहीं। क्लिनिक बनाऊंगा तेरे घर के सामने, तेरे घर के सामने एक घर बनाऊंगा। Allah bless you all. I love you all. You are in the heart. Allah bless you all. Thank you.